Do you want to understand how you fared this year on LinkedIn? So this is I just came across this interesting tool. I'll just show you. It's very simple and it gives you amazing results. So it is a tailored year in review post plus card. So 2024 LinkedIn Rewind is by co-author highlights are from 2024 with your network. So around 2 lakh people have used it. It's simple. What you have to do is just go on, say, LinkedIn. And when you're on LinkedIn, what you need to do is go on your profile and pick up your profile link. Now come on co-author, copy paste your link, and then email ID, agree to terms, and generate. Although it is taking a lot of time, when I did it almost a week back, it gave me quite easily, like quickly, it gave me. But right now, it's taking a lot of time. So, ready in 5 minutes, no login required, and all those things. You will be amazed why they are doing it. Forget it, why they are doing it. My this thing is, I'll just show you the actual output. So, actual output is this. And when I'm looking for the actual output, it is amazing that in 2024, my vibe is marketer, advisor, and executive. The number of posts that I did. So, how many posts I did is over here. I did 228 posts. I got 7,819 reactions, 8568 comments, 317 reposts, 30,238 followers. Superpower is transforming pharma marketing through AI mastery. Top code data science is the answer to universal health access. This is in snapshot, but it gave a lot of people are doing it to identify where they stand on LinkedIn in 2024. If you like it, just give me a thumbs, and I'll be sharing the link about how to generate it. Just try it once. It's pretty amazing, and you'll love this particular thing. Thanks for joining in today. See you.